Did you see that? Wasn't that the coolest thing you've ever seen? The dominoes just went like boom. So cool. I absolutely love dominoes. There's so many cool, fun things that you can do. I mean, we can build them up like that and watch them all fall in unison. Or I bet you didn't guess that there was a couple games that we could play with them. I have some for you today. Do you know how many? Take a guess. No. Try again. No. Wait, what? Oh, you did say it. Yes, I have 3 really cool domino games that we can play today. Are you ready? I'm so excited. I'm so ready. Come on. Let's go play. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
All right, so this one's Domino Addition. Pretty straightforward. We're just adding up both numbers on the domino. So 5 plus 2 equals 7, and so on and so forth. But to extend it, you can set a challenge. You can say how many dominoes can you add in 2 minutes. Also, if you flip the dominoes face down and they can't see them, makes an extra challenge. So this one uses 28 dominoes, 0 to 6 dots only. The challenge here is to find the numbers to fit in the path. Now, younger children can just put in the right number and have it go. To extend it, you play by actual domino rules. So only place dominoes besides other dominoes if the number of dots that are touching are exactly the same. All right, this is racetrack. To get started, what you're going to have to do is draw a large oval on a piece of paper, and you're going to section it off into different sections where you're going to write in numbers that you can get with the dominoes. Then you're going to place the dominoes in the center of the oval and ask your child to count the dots on the dominoes and match them up. And then if you want a cool extension, ask them to race against the clock. How fast can you fill the oval? 2 minutes, 1 minute, 3 minutes? Go.
Hey, sorry, just having so much fun with the dominoes. I forgot to come back and say goodbye. Ugh, so crazy. It's funny, right? Like you get so into something like the dominoes that you completely forget what else you're supposed to do. Like now, what am I supposed to be doing? Right, I'm supposed to be saying goodbye. Well, friends, thanks again for coming to play with me today. I had so much fun and I hope you did as well. Can't wait to play some more dominoes with you. Have a wonderful day and I will see you all next time. Bye. Oh, one more thing. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so that way you can see some more cool videos. Awesome. See ya.